Hey there, candy lovers. Ever wondered how those colorful, chewy gumballs are made? Well, today I'm taking you on a sweet journey through the magical world of gumball creation. First off, it all starts with a sugary base. That's right, sugar is the main ingredient. It gets mixed with corn syrup and other yummy ingredients to form a thick, gooey paste. This paste is then cooked at high temperatures until it's just right. Next up, the flavoring. This is where the magic happens. Whether it's fruity, minty, or bubblegum flavor, this step is all about giving each gumball its unique taste. The flavoring is mixed into the paste while it's still warm and gooey. Now comes the fun part, the shaping. The flavored paste is extruded through a machine that shapes it into perfect little balls. These balls are then cooled and hardened, ready for the next step. Ever wondered how gumballs get their shiny, colorful coating? This is done through a process called panning. The gumballs are placed in large, rotating pans and coated with multiple layers of colored sugar. This step gives them that irresistible crunch and vibrant color. After coating, the gumballs are polished to perfection. They're tumbled in a drum with a special glaze that makes them super shiny and smooth. Finally, the gumballs are ready to be packed and shipped. They're carefully sorted, counted, and packaged into those iconic gumball machines, waiting for you to enjoy. So there you have it, the sweet journey of how gumballs are made. Next time you pop one in your mouth, you'll know exactly what went into making that delicious treat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more candy-filled adventures. See you next time.